Hey guys, I wanted to show you how easy it is to get your Invisaligners out. See these Invisaligner trays? It's very easy to get them out with proper technique. All it requires is a little bit of fingernail. A little bit of fingernail and thumbnail. Just a little bit of thumbnail. That's it. That's it. I'm going to show you with a close-up view, how easy it is to get these babies out and put them back in too. You zoom in here. All right, so I'm going to pull back my cheeks, use my fingernails right here, hop down. Pull down and forward. I was trying to talk while I was doing it. I'll show you again. So what I did was I took them, grabbed both like this. Once you pull them down, and then pull down and forward. So when you put them back in, you just put the front in first and then just put the back on after. Back. So let's try again. I'm going to pull down with my index fingers, and then I'm going to grab them and then just kind of pull them down and out. You're not going to be too gentle, you know, just not going to pull your teeth out or nothing. You can even just grab with one side like that. You don't have to grab with both. Just grab with one side and just kind of yank them down and out. Never lost any attachments this way. Now let's do the bottom. And back in. Easy. I actually have a way I want to show you. I don't recommend it. I figured it out, but it's pretty easy. So we'll do the back. Same thing with thumbnails. You just take it. And here's a trick I'll show you. With your tongue, you kind of push it out and forward when you get it lifted out, and it'll be easy. So watch this. Thumbnails. And you use your tongue, and you get these edges here as they lift up, and it'll help them get along the bottom teeth. Especially if you have crowding like this. See, I have a little bit of crowding going on. I want to tray 4, by the way, so a little bit in. And when you put them back in, it's the same way. So, line up, front teeth, back teeth, bite down. You can use chewies, but I don't think I need them. My teeth are tracking well, and I just bite all around, adjust my bite different ways so it hits all the marks, and that's it. So I'm going to show you another way. It's my trick way to do it. I'll take them out real quick. Easy. Ow. Ah. Out. All right. So now another way, what you can do it is this is a super tricky way, easy trick, I guess. Want to know what's in? And what I do that is I slide them in the mouth, and I kind of have a feel. Once you've had them for a few weeks, you can kind of feel their way in. So I just kind of shifted them around my teeth so I wouldn't bend any of the ends. That's why they recommend don't putting them in that way, is because you can bend these ends of the top plastic here. But I find that if you just kind of shift them around your mouth till it feels comfortable, like you know they're in place, and you seat them that way, it works just fine. I've never bent them that way. I've probably done it at least several dozen times. Like if you're just in a hurry or you don't want to grab or reach in your mouth or anything and put it back in, like at a restaurant, it's an easy way to put it back in. So, yeah. I'm doing okay, you know. I'm going to get some bonding done. But that's the easy way to do this, you know. Invisalign isn't hard. You just brush a lot. Out. You just grab with one end, easy. Front, back, tongue, out, back in. And that's how easy it is to take out and put in your Invisaligners.